at my another workshop, that is frames workshop. We manufacture chocolates as well as the packaging, and the packaging we make it in such a way that people can reuse it, and it's not just a paper box, a normal use and throw thing, but we can also use the packaging. So here's a photo frame you can see which we are dispatching for Reliance. You can see how beautiful this photo frame looks, right? So we add chocolates to it. So we add sweetness to it. So after consuming chocolates, you can see people can use this photo frame. With the we also provide the hook with it, so people just have to hang it. So it is a complete package of gifting with the chocolates and the photo frame. Come in, I will show you the glimpse of my workshop. How my team is working so hard and beautifully to make the beautiful frames. As you can see, everything is in-house, the packaging as well as the chocolates. So it makes us to give you the quality products with the best prices. So yes, stay tuned for more video like this. I'll be updating more of the workshop videos. Thank you.